Let's talk about the digital money that's just made history. Cryptocurrency has quietly reshaped your wallet, and now Congress has just passed a bill that could change everything. While you were binge-watching Netflix, Congress voted on July 17, 2025, and the bill passed. This decision could redefine your finances. This isn't just another boring government debate. This is about whether your cash gets a digital upgrade, who controls it, and if paying with stablecoins becomes as normal as swiping your card. Imagine buying coffee by scanning your phone. No banks, no waiting, just instant digital dollars. Right now, crypto is the Wild West. Confusing, risky, and unregulated. Congress just took the first step to bring order to this chaos. The outcome could launch the US into a new era of financial innovation or drive crypto companies overseas. The bills, the GENIUS Act, the Anti-Central Bank Digital Currency Act, and the Digital Asset Market Clarity Act. They sound dull, but they could change how you save and spend and think about money. We're going to break down what these bills mean, why they matter, and how they could transform your financial life. Ignoring this is like ignoring a weird noise in your car. You don't want to wait until you're stranded to care. This is big. Let's dive in. First up, stablecoins, the sensible cousin of Bitcoin. Unlike Bitcoin's wild price swings, stablecoins are pegged to the US dollar, aiming for one-to-one value. Think of them as digital casino chips. You trade real dollars for tokens you can use online. The idea? Move money globally in seconds, no banks required. But it all comes down to trust. Does the company behind your stablecoin actually have the dollars they promise? If not, your digital dollar could vanish overnight, as we've seen with past collapses. That's why new rules like the GENIUS Act are on the table, to make sure stablecoins are actually backed by real money. The goal is to combine the speed of crypto with the reliability of cash. If stablecoins are regulated and trustworthy, they could become the bridge between old-school banking and the digital future. But without oversight, your dollar could be worthless. That's the problem Congress is trying to fix. Let's see how. Now, the Anti-Central Bank Digital Currency Act designed to stop a government-run digital dollar, or CBDC. A CBDC would be like having a bank account directly with the Federal Reserve, fast, efficient, and government-backed. Supporters say it could modernize payments and help the unbanked. But critics fear government surveillance. Every transaction could be tracked, and your money could be controlled or even programmed to expire. The Anti-CBDC Act aims to block this, arguing the risks to privacy and freedom are too high. Instead, Congress wants digital dollars to come from private companies, not the government. It's a fight over who should control your money, the state or the private sector. This bill is about drawing that line. Let's look at the next piece. Next, the Digital Asset Market Clarity Act, an attempt to end the crypto regulatory confusion. Right now, agencies like the SEC and CFTC are fighting over who gets to regulate crypto, leaving companies and consumers in limbo. This bill would set clear rules. Decentralized assets like Bitcoin go to the CFTC, investment like tokens to the SEC. The goal? Give crypto companies a clear path to compliance and protect consumers with real oversight. With clear rules, innovation can thrive and you get safer, more reliable crypto services. No more legal gray zones or regulatory turf wars. This act could finally bring order to the crypto Wild West. For you, it means more protection and less confusion. It's about making digital assets safer for everyone. Now let's talk about making stablecoins trustworthy. Enter the GENIUS Act, the first real federal rulebook for stablecoins. It demands that every stablecoin is backed one-to-one by cash or US Treasuries. No risky assets, no funny business. Issuers must undergo regular audits and public disclosures, so you know your digital dollars are safe. Both federal and state-chartered institutions could issue stablecoins as long as they meet strict standards. If a stablecoin company fails, there's a plan to get your money back. Think FDIC insurance for digital dollars. The GENIUS Act could make stablecoins safe enough for everyday use, paying rent, sending money abroad, or buying groceries. It's about turning stablecoins from a risky gamble into a trusted part of the financial system. If passed, this could unlock a wave of innovation in payments and finance. The goal? Make digital dollars as reliable as cash, but faster and more accessible. This is the government's answer to the stablecoin trust problem. Now, how do these bills fit together? So what's the big picture? 3 bills. One blocks a government digital dollar, one sets clear rules for crypto, and one makes stablecoins safe. Together, they create a system where private companies issue digital dollars, but under strict government oversight. The Anti-CBDC Act keeps the government out of your wallet, while the GENIUS Act make sure private stablecoins are safe and reliable. The Digital Asset Market Clarity Act gives everyone, companies and consumers, clear rules to follow. This is a uniquely American approach, not a ban, not a free-for-all, but a partnership between innovation and regulation. The US dollar stays on top both in cash and digital form. These laws could make America a leader in digital finance, setting a global standard. For you, it means safer digital money, more choices, and stronger protections. It's a major shift in how money works, and who controls it. The future of your wallet is being decided right now. Let's see what's next. So, what happens now? Today's vote could shape the future of money in America. Faster payments, more innovation, but also new risks. Will these rules prevent another crypto collapse, or stifle the next big breakthrough? Who should control digital dollars? The government, big tech, or a decentralized network? This isn't just about tech, it's about your money, your privacy, and your freedom to spend. The outcome will affect how you get paid, save, and buy everything from coffee to a house. The world of money is changing fast. Are you ready? Let me know what you think in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Express Econ Geo Finance Insights for more deep dives. In this economy, you can't afford to look away.